Hello, my name is Frederick Jacob, and this is my proposal working technique assignment. And my title is Providing an English Booklet for Foreigners and Local Travelers. Chapter 1 Introduction 1.1 Background of the study. Taman Impian Jaya Ancol has a beautiful beach which is the best tourism destination in the city of Jakarta. The tourism potential in Ancol Dreamland Park is indeed very important for a tourist area so that it will affect the number of tourists who want to visit this place. And Taman Bajaya Ancol is the largest and the most comprehensive thematic recreational park in Jakarta. Located in North Jakarta, facing the Java Sea, Taman Bajaya Ancol is a beachfront resort area that sits on an area of 80 hectares. Although this space is very large, when visiting, they do not provide booklets or a mini-map to show directions or places such as restaurants, beaches, and other recreational areas. They only display the map in the front of the entrance. This is surely a problem if the visitors do not know the direction and the attractions. Next, the 1.2 Aims and Advantages. Uh, I cre- I create this idea because I want to creating and producing a booklet which contains small maps, directions, restaurants, beaches, and other attractions written in Indonesian and English. So the local travelers or foreigners can save time and find out the location of the attraction they want to visit without having to go around looking for this place. Next, the 1.3 method of collecting data. Uh, I have I have four methods, and the first one is observation. According to Marcel and Rosman, observation is a semantic description of events, behaviors, and artifacts in the social setting chosen for study. And observation usually use five steps like hearing, seeing, and others. The writers will use his eyes, or I will use my eyes to observation method to gathering information from all visitors and collect data based on what I see. And the second is interview method. Interview method is a conversation for gathering information. A research interview involves an interviewer who coordinates the process of the conversation and asks questions, and an interview who responds to those questions. Interviews can be conducted face to face or over the telephone. The internet is also emerging as a tool for interviewing. And next, the document analysis method. According to Bowen, analysis is a form qualitative research in which documents are interpreted by a researcher researcher to give voice and meaning around an assessment topic. And the last one is research and development. As you can see, there is eight educational research and development, or R&D, is a process used to develop and validate educational products. Uh, and this is all of the, as you can see, research and information planning, develop preliminary form of product, preliminary field testing, main field testing, operational product revision, final product revision, dissemination, and implementation. Chapter 2, the literature review. 2.1, the analysis, the definition of booklet, as you can see, and I also put the how to create a booklet for our local visitors and the foreigners. And point two, and this is the definition of maps. And this is my reference all of this. Okay, I think that's all from me, and thank you.